I've got a healing recipe for you today, perfect for this time of season. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we bring health and taste together in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a healing chicken soup. In your skillet over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of heart-healthy olive oil. This is my 4 tablespoons, so I'm just going to take about half. Heat up your oil for about 1 minute, and then to it let's add 1 chopped up onion, and you don't have to chop it up really small. 5 to 8 halved garlic cloves, and that's about 1/4 cup. I love adding this ingredient to my recipes this time of year because it's so helpful in fending off colds. 2 inches of chopped up ginger. Again, you don't have to chop it up really small, and ginger is so good for your digestion. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Saute for about 4 minutes, stirring frequently. Stir in 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a very healing spice that includes turmeric for your immune system. Saute for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring frequently until the onions become lightly browned. Next, add in 1/4 teaspoon or more of cayenne pepper to help support your circulation. Cook for 1 more minute, stirring to coat. Last, we're going to add in 1 bunch of chopped up kale or spinach and saute it up for just a minute, just until it softens. You may need to add in a little bit extra olive oil here to do this, or some chicken broth, so I'm going to add in just a little bit more chicken broth. Set aside your greens to cool, and I will let you know what we're going to do with that in just a minute. In a large pot over medium heat, add in the remaining 2 tablespoons of your olive oil and heat it up again for just 1 minute. To your heated olive oil, let's add in 1½ cups of chopped up carrots, 1½ cups of chopped up celery, 1½ pounds of chopped up chicken thighs. You are always welcome to substitute this with chicken breast or use already cooked up chicken to save time. Last, let's add the remaining 1/2 teaspoon of your pink Himalayan or sea salt. Saute up until your chicken is lightly browned. Now we are ready to add in 32 ounces of chicken broth and 6 cups of filtered water. Cover and let simmer until you are ready to serve and your veggies are your desired tenderness. This can be anywhere from 25 minutes to an hour. This is a completely optional step, and let me explain to you my thinking. So I'm going to be serving the soup to my kids, and they are not big fans of eating big chunks of onion or garlic or ginger or kale for that matter. So my idea here is I'm going to blend it all up and then add it to the soup right before I'm ready to serve. And I am feeding it to them tonight, so I will definitely let you know if it works. This is also an optional step. I'm going to add in a couple capsules of our 7M, which is a blend of fermented mushrooms that is excellent in supporting your immune system. And I feed this to my kids actually quite a bit during the season, and it really helps to keep them well. But it is not intended for younger kids. My kids are old enough, so it should be just fine. I'm going to open up the capsule and pour it right in. I'm going to add in just a little bit of filtered water to help this blend up a little bit easier. And if you are not doing this step, you simply just want to add in these greens a few minutes before you're ready to serve up your soup, and it's good to go. You'll have nice little chunks of kale and garlic and onion. Okay, let's give this soup a try. I will let my kids tell you whether it's good or not. It is green because I added that in. I blended it up first and added in the kale.
That's hot.
onions, the garlic. It's hot.
It's pretty hot. That's good. It doesn't taste green at all.
Oh, it's good.
I mean, it looks green, but it doesn't taste good.
Yeah, it's good.
So the green color, I don't know, will that scare your kids away? I don't know, but they can't taste it. So totally up to you if you want to blend it or not. Give this one a try. It's good, kid approved. Thanks for being with me today. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next week in the kitchen with another delicious recipe. Take care. Bye.